In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate AI blog writing and WordPress publishing with n8n and Google Sheets. We'll move through 3 stages: setting up configuration and loading your spreadsheet, generating content with AI, and publishing to WordPress. First, let's prepare the workflow. You can trigger it on a schedule to run automatically every hour, or trigger it manually inside n8n when you want to test changes. Both options lead into a settings step where you store key values you'll reuse everywhere: your Google Sheet URL, your WordPress site URL, your WordPress username, the application password, and the sheet names for schedule, config, and log. Keep these consistent to avoid broken references later on. Next, the workflow reads your schedule sheet. Each row represents a blog entry to process, including the topic, a scheduled date, the action to take, the title, any existing draft, and the final content if it already exists. Rows are handled one by one so you can track progress clearly. After that, it reads the config sheet, which contains your prompts and model settings for AI generation. Those rows are converted into usable variables, like prompt draft, prompt final, and prompt title, so you can reference them cleanly throughout the flow. Now it's time for AI writing. The workflow prepares the data by replacing placeholders such as topic, selecting the right prompt from your config, deciding which action to perform, and choosing the AI model. It checks whether the current row should run at all. If the action was already completed, the row is skipped to save time. If the action is publish, it branches to publishing. Otherwise, it continues with content generation. The workflow verifies that a prompt exists, then sends it to the AI model to create a title and content. The results are merged back with the existing spreadsheet data, normalizing the AI response, preserving anything you've already entered, and adding the new content. An activity log entry is written to the log sheet so you have a full audit trail, and the schedule sheet is updated with refreshed fields like draft, final content, title, and sections. If the action is publish, the workflow compares the current time with the scheduled publish time. When it's time, it builds the XML request for WordPress with the title, content, and publish status, then sends it to your site's XML RPC endpoint. The response is checked for success or errors, the result is logged, and if a post ID is returned, publishing is confirmed. Finally, the row's status is updated to publish to prevent duplicates. Test with a manual trigger first, verify time zones in your schedule, and keep your config prompts tidy for the best results.